forward to the path of realization cluelessly, as they can't be accepted easily. Trying to search green space in forbidden to find the truth hidden. You are the one who holds the world, sending grey clouds to water, heat, and pulse. The well written words of poetry are incomplete without nature, the mystery. Beauty that considered prime since history, fading in glamorous victory. There were once black and white photographs on colorful pearl. Now it's colorful pictures on black and white earth. Eating light through brighter skies, being the lamp in darker nights. Nature is the first huge palace where all the errors seem to be perfect. It guides us in our lives for standing strong with your imperfections, as they will not make us puppet. Calling each other as a beautiful vine, it's a sign of flourishing time. Eating memories are painful, whereas sunsets are beautiful. And no one told pigeons and birds to be silent, then why they disappeared from the scenes and came into little girls' dreams. I've been used to my inner screams. The difference between bird songs and harsh ones seemed wonderful. Then you realize trees are the only treasure. Planted in the middle of roads, These Plant is a heart-touching web series known for emotions, fight, and even romance. My written words gone so far through pearls of fame as a shooting star.